Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here. Welcome back to my channel, and I have a new video tutorial for you. It is time for another paper perk, and we are at paper perk number 20. Today I have made this for you. This is going to be a little tuck book. I'm going to cut everything and be back to show you how to make it. Okay, so I have here the 4 pages. And then I have here my mechanism to create the book. I have printed one of my background papers on the back, also on the pages. And we're now going to fold it in a concertina shape. So we're just going to fold. I'm going to fold them all in the same direction first, so I'll be able to better see, and then I'm going to reverse the directions of some of the folds. So this way I'm going to make sure that everything is completely straight, and then it's easy to change the direction of the fold. And this is going to be our little tuck book. And this tuck book is really cute. First of all, you can add little photos to it. You can tuck little tags and things underneath. It can be a really fun happy mail. It can be an add-on to or an insert to a junk journal, to even a mini album, a scrapbook page. Can be really cool. Okay, so now what we're going to do is make an accordion, reverse the directions. So this is what we have. So now we're going to attach each of the little triangles together. So we're going to flip this. This is why I didn't care that here there's a little bit of white. And we're just going to add glue and attach. And then the next one, add glue. So in this case, it doesn't really matter that I have printed on the back, but I did print on the back for the other pages or the cards. And you can get the background paper. There is a kit there in the Ko-fi shop. There is a link to Ko-fi in the description under the video. It only costs $3 to get all the papers in the kit. So it's a really good opportunity, and then you have something to print on the back, or you can just print it and use it as papers, as pages, whatever you want. Okay, so now what we have is this. Our little 4 tucks. Now, we're going to bring the paper. It doesn't really matter the order, and then we're going to attach them like this. If you want to make the tuck here, then you only apply glue to the top and the bottom. If you don't want it to be tucked, you can simply have glue everywhere. So what I'm going to do is use this one. So I want them all to be pockets. So I'm just going to add a little bit of glue on the top, on the bottom. And then this is going to face out. Add my page. Like this. Now we can add the second page. Again on the top and the bottom. and I can play with the direction. For example, I can put this one like this, so not all the book will be the same, and we can play with the direction because we still have something printed on the other side. And this can be the cover on the outside, so I'm going to leave the pretty paper to be on the other side here. So now we have our little tuck book, and we can embellish it any way that we want. Okay, so let's embellish. I have this one. We can attach it or tuck it under. I think I'm going to attach it because it's like how it looks. So I'm going to attach it here. Here you can add a photo, or you can tuck under something under here, and can keep on tucking things and little photos or other things. So here is our tuck book. Some of the things can be tucked, some of the things can be glued down. You can add photos on this side. You can tuck the photos in the little pockets or embellishments. This can be a really pretty happy mail. You can use this as is, or you can even tuck this. These are the pockets that we did last time. So for example, you can tuck this under here. You can find other tuck spots. You can even glue the last page to and then it becomes sort of a little mini book inside your junk journal. So many ways to use this. I'm gonna open the camera a little bit, sorry. So again, tuck this, add this to your junk journal. Can even be on the cover, matches really well. So many ways to use this. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss any of the tutorials and you'll be able to make all the projects. Go to the link in the description under the video to join the Paper Perks Facebook group and download all the freebies there. And go to Ko-fi and become a supporter. Get the background papers that I've used here. This is one of them. And so there's a link in the description under the video for that as well. So thank you very much for joining me. Let's see up close. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.